Good morning, children. This is Shivalsa speaking. Children, as of now, we have been dealing with the chapter data handling, in which we understood about the basic concepts of this exercise 3.1. In the previous class, we had a discussion on how to understand the range, what is arithmetic mean, and all. So, children, here in this video, we are going to have a discussion on two very important questions of this exercise. That is exercise 3.1. Question number 4. Let us understand what is question number 4 is all about. A cricketer scores the following runs in the 8 innings. A player has played for all 8 innings, or means all 8 matches, and we are supposed to find the mean score of the player. Children, we know very well that mean means actually average. When we are actually talking about mean, it's an average of some group of numbers. When we're given some set of numbers or the data, when we try to find the average of those data is known as average. So children, here in this video we are going to have a discussion on this number. So the mean score of the player is sum of all the runs, 58 plus 76 plus 40 plus 35 plus 46 plus 45 plus 0 plus 100. Sum of all the runs divided by number of matches he played. So he played all 8 innings, so divided by 8. So children, the process of getting arithmetic mean is sum of all the data, whatever is given, divided by the number of data. So children, now our job is to add all these numbers. Let us see what comes. So let us add, children. We will be adding like all this number. So I'm starting from over here. 58 plus 76, 58 plus 76, 124 plus 40 plus 35 plus 46 245 plus 45 plus 0 290 plus 100 is 390. It is 390 by 8. Okay, let us cancel them. Like we can divide it directly, children, because as we have to get the answer, so answer will be coming either in decimals or mixed fractions. So I would rather suggest you to keep the answer in decimal only. So 390 divided by 8, 5 8s are 40, so I'll take 4 8s are 32, 70, like over here, take 0 over here, that's better. Okay, we can take suppose, children, it's better way to do the calculation is we divide 390 by 8. Okay, so 5 8s are 40, so we're taking 4 8s are 32, 7, I brought a 0, 5 8s are 8 10s are 80, 7 8 10s are 8 9s are 72, 8 9s are 72, 8 8s are 64. I get a 4 over here, get a point, take a 0, 5 8s are 40. So it is coming, children, 48.5. This is only the mean score or the average score of the player. I believe it's very clear to everyone. Now the next one, children. We are given a box over here, a box of information. So this box to be copied in your classwork copy first, because whenever we are going to deal with such kind of questions, our first job is to copy the question. Here we can see three players are there: player A, player B, and player C. Player A in the game won first match. He secured 14 run. Next match 16 run. Next match 10 run. Next match 10 run. Player B, in the first match he played but got out and secured no score. No run, 0 run. He got out in 0 run, but he played the match. Next game, 8 runs. Next game 6 runs. Next game 4 runs. Okay. Player C, in the first game 8 runs. Second game 11 runs. Next game he could not play due to some injuries or something like that. And the last game 13. Find the mean to determine A's average number of points scored per game. Achha, let us find the average of A, means mean runs of A. So A's mean run or mean score is equal to 14 plus 16 plus 10 plus 10. Divide it by 4, because he played 4 matches. So 16, we will add this number: 16, 14, 20, 30, 30, 40, 50. It's 50 by 4, because 14 plus 16 is 30, 30 plus 10, 40, 40 plus 10, 50. So we are going to divide 2 2s are 4, 25 2s are 50, 25 by 2 money 12.5. So this is the mean score of A. Very simple, children. Let us try number 2 now. 2 is so A score was 12.5. Let us write somewhere, otherwise we'll forget. To find the mean number of point C per games, would you divide the total points by 3 or by 4? Achha, C. Let us find the C's average score, C's mean score. C's mean score is 8 plus 11 plus 13 by 3. Now question comes, why we are dividing it by 3? Why not divided by 4? Because in one match he did not play only, he did not participate only. But in case of B, he played the match but could not score. So not getting runs or could not score and not playing the match, these two are different situations. These two are absolutely different situations. When somebody could not play, means could not take part only, and somebody took part but couldn't score, that is a different situation. So 8 plus 13 is 20, 21. 21 plus 11 is 32. So 32 by 3. Let us divide it. 3 tens are 30, because 3 11s are 33. I cannot take 2. I'll take a point, get a 0. 3 6 are 18. Again 2, it will be continued. So it is 10.6 bar. Bar means this number digit 6 will be repeated. So mean score of C is 10.6 bar. Okay, children, understood? Now the next one is next question, number 3. B played all the 4 games. How would you find the mean? Achha, mean score of B is, let us add them, 0 plus 8 plus 6 plus 4, divide it by 4 because I have to count 0 over here because he played the match. So 8 plus 4, 12 plus 6, 18. 18 by 4, 2 to the 4, 9 to the 18. 9 by 2 means 4.5. So 4.5 is a mean score of B. 4.5. Now question is, who is the best performer? Of course player A. A is the best performer because his average score is 12.5. Children, this is how we have to deal with this kind of question. I believe it's clear to everyone. If there's any doubts or confusion, please let me know. Feel free to speak. Till then, thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day. Please do submit the work in the Google Classroom. Bye bye. Take care, children.